welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making spaghetti bolognese. Let's do it. Oil in our pan here, avocado oil, toss 1,000 cloves of garlic, saute that up for about 30 seconds or so. So I got my food processor here, so we're just gonna toss 1 onion in there, carrot and a half, celery, pulse this, get that all chopped up. Doesn't have to be too fine, but just all chopped up. Toss that into the pot. I'm gonna saute this all up. Could use a chef knife, but I just find it easier to just chop it all up. Salt, pepper. Saute this up for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we'll add our ground beef, our lean ground beef, roughly about a pound. Toss it in there. Saute the ground beef, salt, pepper. Looking good. Ground beef, you're getting all nice and happy. Perfect. Yes, very exciting. Beaumont's Kitchen finally got to 500,000 views. So my next goal is to see how fast we can get to 1 million. Let's do it in half the amount of time. Well, I definitely know what my audience likes, so it's a little easier now. Cool. Half a cup of red wine. And of course, cook that alcohol out for 4 or 5 minutes. We're gonna need a bigger pot. Tomato soup. Yes, tomato soup. A can of crushed tomatoes. Looking good. Yeah, about a teaspoon of thyme, dried oregano. Very simple seasoning. What do they call less is more? Mix this in. Touch more oregano. Some pasta water. We're gonna get this to boil quick. Our sauce is simmering away. Beautiful. Pasta water is boiling. Salt your pasta water like to see. Good amount of spaghetti. Good amount. Best thing with the spaghetti is right when you get it in the pot. Fork it a bit. Fork away. Fork, fork, fork. And usually spaghetti is about 12 to 14 minutes, depending on how al dente you want it. But usually about 12 minutes, you're pretty good. A little al dente is good because it'll continue to cook after it's tender. And if you're gonna like reheat the pasta, it'll continue to cook that way as well. So that's why a little bit al dente. Pasta's almost done, and then I'll show you how to serve. Strain our pasta back into the pot. What I like to do with my pasta, I always do this so it doesn't stick together. So I put a little bit of olive oil and I just mix it up. And the thing with the olive oil, you don't add a crazy amount, you just add a little bit, and you don't have to worry about the pasta not sticking, or the sauce not sticking to your pasta. It still does anyway. So what you want to do with the pasta is take your tongs, twirl it around a little bit, get a nice pile of pasta on the plate. Always taste your sauce before you serve. On to Mr. Spaghetti, meat and sauce. Don't be shy. I always like saucy pasta. Very good. Voila. And Parmesan cheese on top. And that's how you would serve spaghettini bolognese. Give it a try. Give our spaghettini a try. That is amazing. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And do make some spaghettini bolognese. So good. If you want to support the channel, definitely like, subscribe, share. That really helps. Thank you. And this is my dinner. Bye.